station used to be called Joe Mama's.
We're at the exit for Moab. We have arrived at Arches National Park. Gonna go check out the visitor center. Unfortunately, all of the exhibits are closed. Sir, how are you feeling about Arches?
It's so beautiful. We haven't even got into it and it's amazing. Although we know what is to come.
So we were here 7 years ago. Do you remember it like the back of your hand?
No.
That's where all the hiking trail is.
Balanced rock.
Nice. She ain't lying.
It just became unbalanced. Hey guys, we're at Arches National Park on Dustin's birthday, and here we are at Balanced Rock. I don't know who got it up there, but it's pretty miraculous.
Oh, look at all these model rocks. Look at
Karate chop.
Oh. Whoa.
I do understand to do this.
This thing is really cool. Let me know if you guys see it start to move so I can run. It's a beautiful day and really glad we came here. This is amazing. If you've never been here, we highly recommend coming. It is awesome. It is super cool.
These are tails, Mommy. See these tails, Mommy?
Yeah.
Okay, we're in the parking lot. Oh wait, we're going to that bad boy. The big question, is there a cliff on the other side?
The blue.
We're in downtown Moab, and this is such a nice downtown. Like, it's touristy, there's stuff going on, it's really cool and clean. You brought that?
Oh!
He's so excited.
Why did you put that in your pocket?
At home I did it, then my son take it out.
Were you gonna wear some lipstick out?
You know, this kind of reminds me of Park City.
Yeah.
Like the shops and stuff, the type of shops. Yeah, don't.
There's another one down here. It kind of looks cool. Oh, watch out, Reagan. Back up, back up.
Bumblebee.
Tuna.
If you're thinking about coming to Moab, think no more. Just come. It's awesome. Ah, we might have to rent one of these bad boys. Leave it to the blues to find a quiet, serene place everywhere we go, just to get away from it all. We found this massive waterfall over here. Now this thing is putting out close to 5 gallons a minute. So yeah, it's a lot of water coming through there.
Who's that tripping over my beach? Chip, 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 chip. Don't eat me. Wait for the big guy. Right here. I have 2 questions since entering Arches National Park. The first one is, who created all these arches? Second, how much money did they spend to create this whole park? I can't find anything anywhere on Google. I haven't tried Safari yet though. Or Wikipedia. Okay.
Wikipedia should have the answer.
Yeah.
I'm really starting to wonder if this is how Arches got its name.
Our dumb episode.
They should have named this Shade Rock. Nailed it. Joke landed. Landed the joke. Uh-huh.
Right here. And take a picture.
Oh. Gotcha.
I can slide?
Oh.
I hope I don't slide.
I hope not.